Hello guys, I'm eating something, but I'm gonna share something very interesting with you. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna show you an offer that can pay you $350 just for 2 minutes phone call. Keep watching. My name is Vanel Silvestre. As every one of you know me on this channel, I have a small community, small group of people, like 5,000 people that follow me for pay-per-call. Pay-per-call changed my life because this is a business model where you can make money very easy. You don't really spend that much effort. The only effort you need to do is to know how to create ads on Google, on Facebook, or even on Microsoft Ads. Sorry guys, if you hear some noise in the background, it is my fan, because it's hot where I am, so I have to open my fan because I'm very hot now. So the offer that we're going to talk about is rehabilitation seeker, people who are seeking for rehabilitation. Some companies are ready to pay you $350. You just need 3 phone calls that convert to have 1,000 per day. You're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, is it possible to get this? A lot of people are wanting ad for this type of offer. Let me go right now on Google. I'm gonna search for something and share with you. So on Google, if I type the word rehab, R-E-H-A-B, rehab, and on Google we have just this thing, rehab, like rehabilitation, rehab near me. I find over 60,000 search results for this keyword, rehab near me. Rehabilitation is for people addicted to drugs, addicted to alcohol, or maybe any type of addiction. They need rehab centers or rehab places where they can get them back on their normal life. So this company, it is on Offer Globe. They are ready to pay you $350 just for 1 phone calls of 2 minutes. If someone spent 2 minutes over the phone, you make $350. Let's see the criteria for this offer. What is the criteria? So if I go to Offer Globe right now, Offer Globe said caller type accepted. Caller is looking for inpatient treatment with insurance. So a caller who are looking for inpatient treatment with insurance, or a caller who has ability to pay out of pocket, so someone who get money to pay out for their treatment, and they don't accept Medicare and Medicaid. They don't accept none of this. So you're gonna put all these keywords as your negative keywords on Google Ads. So I teach people how to do this. Some stuff that they don't allow, you're gonna put them as negative keywords. When you put them as negative keywords, so people searching for this type of keyword will not be, will never see your ad, and you will make money only from people that are qualified. So just imagine per day, if you can generate 10 phone calls with $350, that's $3,500 or $3,500 every single day. So let me tell you how much is the pay-per-click for this keyword. That will blow your mind and you're gonna be surprised. Let me tell you, the keyword for this, because it is something that pays very well, the cost per click is $12.32. So for every phone calls or click maybe you have on your website, for this keyword we have near me, it's gonna cost you $12.32. This is why these companies are ready to pay you over $350 just for 1 phone calls. So that was one of the example of one of the highest paying pay-per-call. It is a simple business. One thing you have to do, the only thing you have to do you have to master Google Ads. You know how to run ads on Google? You are good to go. Just go join some affiliate network and join them. Follow the guideline, the requirement, and when you follow all these, you want your ad on Google will approve your ad because you will need a landing page. I teach people how to do this. So I have a training. My training is not really in depth. It's only for $100 just for this day. So the link will be in the description for only $100. You will see the step-by-step process how to run ads and how to use social media to generate phone calls and to get accepted by some company to make money. Because me, you see right here, I'm making over $10,000 per month with this business model. So you can be rich, be out of the scene. A lot of people don't know if you make money. You can be a simple guy with Google Ads, you're making money, and people don't really know. On top of that, I'm making some training for some of my students. So I don't find any excuse. I'm teaching people with my coaching and at the same time running ads on some pay-per-call offer and make money. You can do the same. Don't find any excuse. It's one of the easiest business model that can bring you a lot of money. You don't have to be an expert to start generating and make money using this business model. So, as I said, my training is only $100, but not for my training. I want you to join my coaching. The coaching is me with you on Skype or Zoom. I will take you step by step by the hand and help you create your first ad campaign, choose the best offers, and get accepted from some companies and running ads with you. When you start making your first $100 online, and you're good to go. I give 4 days of coaching 1-on-1. So it's a little bit expensive, but you will see the result very quickly than my training. My training is not really in depth, but it's the basic things that you need to start with pay-per-call. I hope this video boosts you and make you see the importance to start making money with a business that is very easy to do. You just find some networks that need people to run pay-per-call offer, and you just join and get approved. Go to Google Ads, set up your ads, get a phone number, and boom, people start calling. You make money. $350 for just one phone calls. Even if I spend $100 per day to get $250, that's awesome. That's a lot of money, guys. Because just imagine you're in a country where the US dollar is very high and the conversion rate is very high. So if you make $250 in a country like Philippines, like India, Nigeria, some African country, that's a lot of money. So I know what I'm talking about because me, I'm from the Caribbean and I know what $100 mean in my country. So being able to make over $10,000 per month make me feel that I'm free financially. You can do the same. So if you need my training, the link will be in the description. If you need my coaching, let me know. I'm going to put my Skype so you can join me, and I'm going to be face-to-face with you, help you set up your first campaign and make your first 1,000 online. I'm so happy. It was your friend, as always, Vado. Bye-bye.